Hey, beautiful souls! Welcome back to our channel. I'm thrilled to share some quick and chic makeup tips that'll have you looking fabulous in no time. Whether you're rushing to class or hitting that Zoom call, this 5-minute routine is your secret weapon. Let's dive in. Segment 1. The power of confidence. You know what's more important than any makeup product? Confidence. When you feel good, you look good. So, repeat after me. I am fierce. I am fabulous. And I've got this. Segment 2. The bare essentials. Our 5-minute routine starts with the essentials. Grab your favorite concealer to cover any imperfections. A quick swipe of mascara opens up those eyes, and a tinted lip balm adds a touch of color. Simple, right? Segment 3. The speedy base. Let's create a flawless canvas. Apply a lightweight foundation or BB cream. Remember, less is more. Blend it out with your fingertips or a sponge. Voila! Instant glow. Segment 4. The cheeky blush trick. Blush is our secret weapon. Smile, find the apples of your cheeks, and lightly dust on some blush. It's like a mini confidence boost in a compact. Segment 5. The brow game. Brows frame your face. Use a brow pencil or powder to fill in any gaps. Remember, natural-looking brows are the goal. You're a brow queen. Segment 6. The lip pop. Finally, choose a lip color that speaks to your soul. Whether it's a nude shade or a bold red, own it. A smile is your best accessory. And there you have it, 5 minutes to slay the day. Remember, beauty isn't about perfection. It's about celebrating your uniqueness. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And spread the love. Until next time, stay chic, stay fabulous.